Hello everyone, my name is Luis and in this video I'm gonna show you the assignment for class number 7. So once you are in your Blackboard, once you pick EDF101 and then you go to the left side of the screen, you will see assignments. Once you click it, you will see the list of activities that you must complete and also the deadline. So for January 28th, you will see that you need to complete co-curricular My Campus events and My Curriculum Program Study. These two activities are for the lecture. Also, when you see the extra credit note, that means that it's not mandatory, however, you should consider because you will get extra points at the end of the semester. So now, how can you complete the My Curriculum Program Study? So you need to go to your ePortfolio. Once you're here, you're going to create a new tab in this section. Also keep in mind that you can just pause this video and just go back and forth. So now, how can you create a new tab in this section? You will need to click in the blue plus icon. And what page are you going to create? That page, well, in this case, it's going to be a template. It is going to be related with your major. There are 4 different majors in the education field: childhood educator, early childhood educator, adolescence educator, and bilingual educator. So you need to pick any of these 4, and you're gonna need to click in the blue plus icon over here. It doesn't really matter where you click it, at the bottom, at the middle, or at the top. So I'm gonna click it, and once you click it, you will see the template option over here. So you're gonna click template. In the search bar, you're gonna type educator. And then you will see the 4 options that you have. So you need to pick your major. So for the purpose of this example of this video, I'm gonna show you with early childhood educator. Then click use this template, then you wait, and as you can see, I created a new page or a new template. Now I'm gonna show you with another major. I'm gonna click the blue plus icon, then template, one more time educator. You only need to do it just one time. Now I'm gonna click adolescence educator and then click use this template. And there you go, I have another career. As I said, you only need to create 1 template just for your major. I'm just creating 2 because for the purpose of this video, I just need you to give you more examples. So now, once you create your template, you will see the same options in every single major. So for the first page in the early childhood educator, as you can see, it says about the education program. Now if I show you in adolescence educator, you will see the same about the education program. So even though you need to pick 1 major, all these 4 majors has the same activities. All these majors have the same activities. So now, once you create that page, you need to go to the about the education program. Once you click it, make sure to save to publish pages. So you're gonna need to publish pages and then publish. So now my page has been published. So now what you need to do is just read the whole about the education program. You need to read all this page. And once you read it, you will need to go to the second page. So we are now in the about the education program. Now you're gonna click My Curriculum Program of Study. So you're gonna click it. And as you can see, the title My Curriculum Program of Study is the same activity for the Blackboard. So this is the assignment that is due January 28th. So what do you need to do here? Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to click in these boxes. Once you click it, it will show you a check mark. And the only way that you can click these boxes is only if you complete that specific requirement or that specific class. So let's say, so for required Common Core, you already took English 101. So you're gonna click over here and then click this box for English 101. Let's say that you also took a math class, let's say math 115. So you're gonna click also this box. You didn't complete the other classes, leave it blank. Don't click anything. And then you continue with the second group. Flexible core. Have you taken any of these classes or any of these requirements? For example, let's say that World Core Chosen Global Issues, you don't know exactly what classes fit in this section. You can just go to your degree works. I explained that in the second class, so if you don't remember, I'm gonna show you one more time. So you will need to go to your LaGuardia account, then you scroll down, and then you will see degree works. So you're gonna click it, then you click degree works for LaGuardia Community College, and then you will need to look for that specific requirement. So as you can see here, it says for flexible core, I already took US experience in its diversity. So I'm gonna go to my portfolio, and as you can see here, it shows US experience in its diversity. So that means that I already took it. How do you know that you took it? Because you see the green check mark. So you just click it over here. What about world cultures and global issues? So you go back over here and you need to look if you already complete that class. So in this case, I don't need to complete that specific class because of my major, but for the education field, you need to take one class. So once you use the degree words to complete this section, you will need to continue with the following sections. Early Childhood Education Program Core. Have you taken any of these classes? If yes, just click the class that you took. Let's say that you already took arts in education. So I'm gonna click it and then continue. Now in my notes, you have the agenda that I published in the Slack channel. So you can just need to make 2 questions and 2 takeaways from the first page that I show you. So remember, if you go to Education Program Advisement, you will have these 2 pages. I mentioned that you need to read the whole about the education program page. Once you read the whole page, you go to my curriculum, which is this page. Once you complete with the check marks, you need to make notes. The notes are 2 takeaways from the first page that you were supposed to read, and you need to add 2 questions regarding with my curriculum or any other question related with your major. Remember, 2 conclusions or takeaways and 2 questions, and that will be the completion of this assignment.